Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video, we are talking about the Rag Company's Chenille mitt. Now, the Chenille wash mitt comes in 3 different colors. It comes in, well, red, like you see in here, and it also comes in green and blue. And it does come in a 2-pack. So you can either get 2 reds or you get a green and a blue mitt. This allows you to have a couple different options. One, you can use one mitt for body work, the other for maybe wheels and tires. And the great thing about the blue and green combo is this way you know which is which for either one. Now the Chenille mitts are extremely soft and aren't gonna damage your paintwork. They all come with an expandable cuff so that way you can stick your hand in here, and if you have a large hand or a small hand, and it will fit to your size. They also come with a hang tag, so when you're done washing them and rinsing them out, you can hang them up to dry. And that makes it a lot easier. If you're gonna wash them, I recommend washing them either by hand and hang drying them, or throwing them in the laundry, wash them with maybe something like Rags to Riches, but make sure that you wash them with each other and not a bunch of other towels. The reason for this is simple. One, you don't wanna cross-contaminate in case something may get into your wash media, but 2, it allows that any chemicals or anything you used are washed out of them without putting them into maybe something like a glass towel. So there you have it, the Chenille mitt. Extremely soft, extremely safe, perfect for a warm, sunny day and a nice bucket wash. Pick one up today or pick up 2 today. Try it out for yourself, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.